Hello Techie! Samahan niyo ko ngayon. Pupunta tayo sa event ng REALME kasi ila-launch nila dito sa Davao City ang kanilang bagong labas na smartphone, which is the REALME 5 Pro. So, samahan niyo ko guys. Ito yung pinaka first time na event na sasalihan ko since dito sila pumunta sa Davao City. Ayan, so excited tayo. Abangan niyo mamaya ang mangyayari. Bye! Hi guys! So, nandito tayo sa White House and papasok na tayo later. This is the one that you talk about for the real things. Yeah, being heard and sing a lot.
Later on, you'll be knowing more about the products, but before that, join me in welcoming the Marketing Director of REALME Philippines, Miss Austin Huang.
Morning guys. Thank you for coming this morning. Thank you for giving us your precious time and staying with us for this REALME 5 and 5 Pro event. And later on, my colleague Asen will also give you guys more details, introduction about our brand and about our products. Since I know that REALME might be still a little bit new, young brand for friends here. So later on, let's just look forward to Asen's briefing. So we will have more details and more informative slideshows to help you guys know more about REALME, how this young and aggressive brand grew up this fast. Within 1 year, we've achieved all these milestones. Still, we are also humble, right? We have to stay humble. So we will say that we are taking big steps, but still big baby steps. Okay, so still again, thank you for coming and thank you for being with us and thank you for witness the whole momentum of REALME in the Q4 and in the Burma and then especially in October. Okay, thank you.
Now, for you to get to know more about this young, aggressive brand, REALME Philippines, let us welcome on the floor the marketing lead of the brand, Mr. Ison de Guzman.
Hi, good morning everyone. Naantok ka ba? Hindi ka na kailangan. So, thank you so much. This is my first time in 3 years once again in Davao. But with new welcomes and of course being with a new brand, it's not a surprise that with your support guys, we will help build this brand to a new feet here in Davao as well. So REALME is actually a fairly new brand here in the Philippines. So thank you so much for attending in this media roundtable because it means really big to us and a lot to us right now. So to give you a more in-depth, who is REALME or sino ba dito honestly, taas kamay, first time narinig si REALME? Meron tayo dito. Alright, sige. So, first time nyo marinig si REALME Philippines, you might be wondering, what is this brand? So, I'll give you a quick rundown who is REALME Philippines, alright? So, REALME Philippines, we're the third country to expand first from India. So, we started in India and expanded in Indonesia. We're the third country that actually expanded. So, we're the third country of REALME here in the Philippines. And we've now grown forwards in Thailand, we're in Malaysia, other countries such as even China, and of course, there's European countries as well. But aside from that, we also have other expansions as well. So, REALME aims to grow bigger. Here in the Philippines, that's centered to put more focus in it. So, in just 1 year, I'll just give you a research according to Counterpoint Research. Our Counterpoint Research is that we reached the top 10 total number of units sold to climb in the top 10 list. So among all smartphone brands, this is the first in history to achieve this fastest growth. An astonishing 848% growth.
Wow.
That's just in 1 year. So we're one of the first, we're the only brand that was able to do it. Although we're just, as you can see in the chart, we're barely in the top 10, but making a rank and making our name in the year, in just 1 year, is a big feat for us. Aside from that, we're also doing a lot of things in other countries. Next, Karen. We've also grown into 10 million fans already in just 1 year. So 10 million units sold, and that's equivalent to 10 million trust. Right? So next, we also have other consecutive achievements in other countries such as Indonesia or India. In India, we're already number 4 in the country in less than 2 years. And in Indonesia, we're already top 5 last Q2 2019. So we're really making a name in just a short amount of period. But aside from that, we want to push things further. Of course, ang pinag-uusapan natin, we're here in the Philippines. So, kamusta naman tayo dito sa Philippines? Alright, next. We have 10 million fans worldwide. We want to have a more different, holistic approach when it comes to the youth. Kaya makikita nyo branding namin, we're all in yellow. Even what I'm wearing right now is our branding. Because what we want to show is a different style of smartphone marketing. We're a different smartphone brand because of our approaches and innovations. I'll give you more further examples of what we did recently and what we are going to do more in the future. Okay, next. So, business expansion in the Philippines. I just want to give you a foresight. Nag-start kami last November 2019. We're not even 1 year old, just 10 months old, pero sobrang laki na ng growth namin. So we started 11/29, that's our launch last November 29, 2018. And then our first sale was in SM North EDSA, was in December 16. So that's 15 days after, nagkaroon kami ng offline sale. But we were well received by the people na maganda kasi yung phones namin, have good specifications. But aside from that, we're doing more. Our milestones is actually right now 4,500 retail stores in just 10 months. Sobrang daming tindahan na namin. We grow so much right now. 200 kiosks nationwide. Actually, to be specific, in Mindanao area, we have 26 kiosks. And in Davao area specifically, we have 14 kiosks. So that's a total of 25 service centers nationwide as well. And we have 10 concept stores nationwide. Unfortunately, wala pa kaming concept store dito, pero we're pushing it right now. So, I know yan yung magiging tanong niya, so yung susunod namin concept store. And then we have 15 regional offices nationwide. So, we're not only growing in terms of offline, also online as well. We're doing online sold-out sales in our online partners such as Shopee and also Lazada. Pero it just shows you that we're doing tremendous growth behind the brand itself. Talagang we're multiplying our effects product by product. Okay? So our goal is actually to become a smartphone for every Filipino. When I say a smartphone for every Filipino, our lineup tells us about it. So our lineup right now is actually Realme 3 and Realme 3 Pro, followed by our entry-level king, Realme C2. These are our 3 models right now that we're selling in the market that are positioned as a Realme smartphone for every Filipino. Of course, right now, we have here the profile here in Davao that we want to have more of we have the price consciousness here in Davao. Gusto natin sulit sa pera. Of course, that's a major trait for Filipinos, but we've seen this as a major factor as well here in Davao. So, ang best-selling namin is Realme C2 actually here in Davao. So, mas price conscious dito, mas gusto nila yung mas in-depth features, and saan kayo located, mas kayo maraming concept store. So, we were able to grow the brand in our backbone so fast na back up namin with our products. So it's not just having very powerful specs at the end of the day and a good price. It's also having good locations and availability. And with that, actually, we're growing our fan base, starting off with our newest product, the Realme 5 and 5 Pro, that you are seeing right now in your table. With that, actually, the Realme 5 and 5 Pro are our newest products that will lead to quad camera for our latest fan base or for our new consumers right now. So with this, we want to approach more customers and more consumers that we're not only a smartphone brand that can do mobile gaming, but also do better photography. So kukuhanin namin yung both gaming and also photography. And now, actually, it's more of experiencing more of the phones right now for you. So that actually ends on my presentation. But maraming salamat, guys.
Teaser pa lang to guys. Unbox tayo to soon. So, wait lang kayo guys. Ayan. So, I'm glad this will be my first time This is my first time talaga na makapunta sa isang event ng ganito. And so glad na REALME pa talaga. REALME Philippines. Ayan guys. So, ang saya-saya. Yay! May ganito soon.